What's up mga paps? Welcome back to another video, and for this week we are gonna do a product review of the Cucyma tail bag. Alright, so what we have here is a Cucyma 25-liter tail bag. First impression regarding with the looks, it's got carbon fiber details all around it, matte, and I love it. Match na match sa theme ng motor ko. And what we have here are, I guess, reflective panels for visibility. And we have two zippers in here, a handle, the clips, the backpack. Okay, so let's see what's in the package. So we have here two straps, the waterproof cover, malaki, and the sling strap. So inside we've got quite a very spacious space, a lot of space. The sink. Alright, so to give you an idea what's inside, we've got fishnets in here with Velcro straps para paglagyan ng mga papeles siguro. I think perfect fit dito yung OR and CR sa karehistro mo, sa kung ano pang pwede mo mailagay dito. It's kinda big. A good estimate, I'm 5'9" and I have pretty big hands at di ko kayang i-measure to. This is also very big. Meron tayong board to keep it stiff so that it will hold its shape. And also we've got another set of zippers in here. Right. So ganito to. Pag in-unzip ko to, hirap ng isa lang kamay. That's gonna give it an additional 2-inch chest of space. So that's gonna make it bigger for you to fit more items. Okay. So let's put it to test. So what I have here is an NHK forgot what, there you go, NHK Road Fighter, size medium. Let's see if that would fit. Okay, so that fits. I wonder if I could actually close it in. Nah, you cannot close it in. You just can't. But you know, it gives you an idea of how. Oh, wait a minute. Let's see. This could actually work. Oh wow. It actually fits. So that's how big it is. It can fit a medium full face helmet in it, and that's all you could fit. Yep. So kapag magpapahinga ka, let's just say kakain ka during your trip, di mo, it's hard na iwan yung bag sa parking lot, especially if medyo malayo yung parking lot dun sa papasukan mo or pupuntahan mo. You have to bring it for safety reasons. And what's good about this tail bag is you can convert it into a backpack. See? Oh. Very convenient, diba? And aside from being a backpack, I guess you could also convert this into a sling bag, because it's got this. Okay. So you can actually convert this into a sling bag. Check natin. Yep. Sling bag. So as you can see, this bag has got a lot of purpose. It's very flexible. So whenever you're traveling, if wala kang budget, you could always use a backpack. But if malayo-layo yung pupuntahan mo, over time, that's gonna cause you a sore neck or shoulder. So I think this is gonna be a very good resolution or solution para sa problema yun. Para free yung balikat mo, di ba? The only issue that I found so far is this part. Medyo tumatama sa likod ko or sa putan ko. I guess dahil siguro sa medyo malaki akong tao, 90 kilos ako. But it's bearable naman. You tend to forget about it over time. So again, this is the Cucyma 25-liter tail bag. I'm gonna post a link on the description from where I purchased this from. Shout out Motoholics Davao. Those guys are very wonderful. They also offer, or they also sell jackets, comini gloves, racing pants, and racing boots. Please check down their page on the description. And please let me know if you have questions, mga paps. And I guess that's a very short video for this week. Again, thank you so much for watching, guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell button so that I could keep you updated with my videos. I'm gonna try my best to post a video once a week. Again, thank you so much for watching. My name is Mark, or I am Mark. You have a good day. Stay safe. Look what just came through the mail. Yeah. Looks like another episode for our product review, guys.